Look at the size. Look at the size of this dragon. This is a Asunta variety, a red pink, very sweet dragon. Look how big it's getting. It'll be ready to harvest in about 15 to 20 days. There's two of my generators that are on solar right now. As you can see, one's taking in 152 watts. The other one's taking in 144 watts. Built by me, DIY, all digital, with Victron MPPT controllers I added on there. It's what you're looking at right now. It shows all the capacity they're taking in, what they're doing, and so forth. If I hit one, you'll see how much capacity that's gone into it today. As it boots up real quick, let's hit history. And it's taken in over 640 watts of free power. These two are running my DIY aquaponic generators, running the pumps, the water pumps and the air pumps. Let's talk about what's going on in the world. Let's talk about the next big hurricane that's heading towards Florida right now. They named it Hurricane Melton. It's very sad that the government has failed the people. All those people that have died, and so forth. Now they're going to get hit again. And FEMA's out of money, they're saying. Probably due to all the money we've sent, the billions we sent to Ukraine and Iran and so forth. Now another devastating hurricane is heading towards Florida again, and within 2 weeks. Never heard of before. They're still digging people out. They're finding bodies still. The roads are destroyed. Now they have to go through it again. What's our government going to do? What's our government going to do? Leave the people hanging and give billions away to foreign nations for their wars? Beautiful dragon. I'm watching what's going on in this country. Nothing but failure. That's all it is. Please grow some food. If you're living in Florida, the government has already come on again today, saying evacuate the area if you can. Please evacuate if you don't have the right equipment. You don't have any off-grid solar generators, gas generators, food and water. Again, please evacuate. Until next time.